We are Four Daisies.
Our business is a multicultural restaurant including India, South Africa, Argentina, and Saudi Arabia, where we would like to share culture and tradition.
I'd say we all tried our best, so I give everyone a 10 out of 10 for their teamwork and their cooperation in this plan.
I would give ourselves 10 out of 10 too because we tried our best.
I would also give our team 10 out of 10 because although we were very busy, I think most of us, we tried our hard best to come up with this whole plan, take time of our busy schedules. So I think the dedication we put into this was definitely, it deserves a 10 out of 10.
And I think the last question will be throughout whole learnings, will you you learn a lot of skills, and if this program keep running, and would you recommend to your friends or your classmates, and why?
I would definitely recommend it to my friends or family because this is like a very valuable lesson to you as well as you grow up. This can really impact your future in a way too because this world is not easy to survive. This is a really good opportunity to see all of that too.
Besides what she said, I feel like I would definitely 10 out of 10. I would definitely recommend it to my friends and family because not only is this a very valuable opportunity for us, but it's also a way to meet new people and learn about different stuff and learn about cultures and different parts of the business world as well, which is also a really big part of what's going on in the world right now, especially in the